Assalamu-Alaikum. This is Naz with another hijab tutorial. How are we doing today? I hope inshallah you're doing good. The sun's out, it's beautiful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us another day of life, and so we have every reason to be happy and celebrate. Yes, I hope and I pray inshallah that you're all trying to still stay safe. We are not out of the woods yet, so we must make every effort. Please, my dear viewers, you know, it was on the weekend, and where I am living here, my neighbor, they had a birthday party, and they had over 15 cars showed up. And I'm thinking, yes, we need to celebrate the birthday. But what if we're celebrating and we're creating issues for some of those people that are there celebrating? Please, viewers, please, my dear sisters and my viewers, we need to be vigilant. We cannot just let it go like that, because we're not out of the woods. We haven't been given the clearance that yes, we can go ahead and have these huge parties. No, yes, the sun is out and we want to celebrate. But what if we're celebrating, but then we're creating issues for ourselves? Let's take stock, please. Anyway, I would like to welcome you to my channel, Hijabz&You. If you're here for the first time, alhamdulillah, I'm so excited you're here. So please stay. It's supposed to be a very short video today. It's just a quick, I'm ready to go and I'm excited. I want to share what I'm wearing with you, my viewers. So please do stick around. And if you're here by the end of it, and I hope you like what you see, then you know what to do. If you like it, you like it. If not, if it's just a passing thing, I understand totally. But just stick around since you're here already. For you, my viewers that are here with me from inception and have joined me along the way, I am very thankful for each one of you. And I pray to God that He gives each one of us, He gives us the strength to carry on, the strength to succeed, the strength to deal with our, our successes and failures, our bad times and good times. So I pray for each one of you and for myself who are here on this platform and who are out there. Please, I pray for all of us to have it good here and to help ourselves prepare for the after. Thank you. It means a lot that you're here with me. Now, today's tutorial is a very simple one. It's how to wrap your hijab. It's a quick, easy and go. And I hope I don't take too much of your time, but I put this on and it looked so fab that I had to share it with you. I mean, it's just so beautiful. You know that it's getting a bit warm outside, but I still find, depends on what kind of jersey hijab you're wearing, I still find it pretty cool. So I am going to continue to wear it as long as I feel comfortable. Now, as it gets hotter, then you change into your, the lighter ones. But for now, I'm still like last night, I had to turn the AC off. So it's like we've got, highs and lows. So we're still in that in between. So we can get away with that. And that's what I'm doing today. I'm getting away with this jersey hijab, and I had to show you. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. And it's wrapped. It's a quick wrap. Now, I have put 2 pins in there. You don't necessarily need to put pins, but if you know me and you've been with me from inception, I'm one that is a stickler for it to stay in place until I get home. And so that's why I put pins in there. Because the jersey material, it doesn't move. It really is. When you set it in place, it stays in place. So stay with me so I can show you how I got this beautiful, beautiful look. And I want to show you what it looks like. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. And so I'm going to share this with you. So stay with me. So, what do I have on today? I have my Ninja on. It's just my Ninja. It's one of the large size. It covers everything. The neck is not low today, but I am quite comfortable with my Ninja. So I like putting that on. It saves me a lot of hassle of having to find an undercap and then an overcap and all that. And here is what I have today. I have this most beautiful, beautiful Jersey hijab. It's a rectangular hijab, and we're going to do this very quickly because I need to be out the door. And let's show you how I got that really beautiful look. And it's absolutely fab. You don't, seriously, there's not much to do with it. It's simple. We're going to make sure that there's coverage in the back. There's a whole lot of fabric, and what I'm going to do is, just because I like it in place and I like it to look nice and neat, I'm going to just watch as I do this. And I've got the camera in a little bit of a different because of the sunshine. I just want to show you. I'm going to put 2 pins here, just only because I want to keep it in place and I don't want it moving. I'm just going to pin it over here, and then I'm going to use another pin and pin it on this end. And see, the Ninja comes in handy here because you're able to pin it. You don't have to go further. You can just pin it on the Ninja itself, and it's pinned in place. So now we've got a short end here, and we've got all the fabric here. But this is just a simple wrap. That's all it is. It's easy. I'm showing you the variations of how you can use your hijab. And now we're just going to make sure, because it's jersey, it's it just sticks together. So you have to just, when you're wrapping it, to make it easy for you, just go a bit loose, right? So you're going to bring it across a bit loose, so it doesn't get too tight here, because it tends to, if you're not, then you have to work around it. And we're just going to bring that over here. And it is nice and loose. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God, it's so pretty. And you have to see how that is. It's so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the scarf is pretty, but the wrap is so beautiful, just so loose. I pinned it here so it has that nice neat look here, and then it's flowing. It's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now if you want to leave it, bring it over on the shoulders, you can do that. But what we're going to do, because I've got a long sleeve on and I've got a lot of steps, I'm just going to not put it on the shoulder. I'm just going to bring it to sit in front. Are you with me so far? Isn't it beautiful? It's absolutely beautiful. And look at how that folds so nicely. Look at this look here. It's because you have the Ninja, you don't need to pin it, because this is covered nicely. And so that is left, oh, beautifully. I'm quite happy with this look. Look at that, my dear viewers, how beautiful that is. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? And it goes nice with the sun and the beautifulness of what's out there, and just feeling good about it. Always feel good about it, no matter how difficult it is. And trust me, we all, myself, yourself, we have our days when it's not that great, but we have life. As long as we have life, we must be thankful for life. Yes, and please, my viewers, it's important to put your trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and live every moment. Live every moment. Doesn't matter how tough it gets. You put your trust and you pray, and you put your head down and you pray, and you make yourself better. Yes, it's tough. We all go through those days when it's really tough. But you know what? Put your faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and He will make, He is giving you this journey. So He knows what you can bear. He knows how much you can take. So always remember that. Our journey comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and He knows, and He never gives a person more than they can bear. Always remember that. He never gives you more than you can bear. So if, no matter how tough it is, He knows your strength. So stay positive. Always, always, always. It doesn't matter how tough it gets. And trust me, I can write many books on my life. It's not an easy life. It's a tough life. And sometimes we make, not so wise decisions, that we have to deal with those decisions. And but we have to say, Ya Allah, you know best. Once you are sincere in what you do, make sure you stay positive, you keep your sincerity there, and you do everything with full faith that you're doing the best you can. That's important. As long as you know in your heart that you're doing the best you can, everything else is secondary. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make the rest, whatever it is He has in store for you. So, okay, getting back to our tutorial. So, what do you think? Do you like that? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's very nice, very easy. Let me show you. Make sure it's nice. The fold's nice in the back. Look at that. How is that? Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yes, it's important that when you put it on, you're feeling good about it. And today I'm absolutely loving it. I love the flow of it. I love that it's just simple wrap, but it's got this nice flow. And the only reason why I can leave it open like that is because I have my ninja, and that covers here. If that was not there and we had a cap on, then your neck would be exposed here. So see, that ninja has come in quite handy, and here we are with this nice, absolutely flowing look. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. And I hope you like that too. Yes, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. It's simple, it's easy, and it's very quick. Okay? Now, if you do like that, hit the like button. And please, I implore you and I beseech you and I'm asking you, please, to share it with your friends and family. If you share this hijab tutorial with someone and they decide to put the hijab on, or they get the call on, you would have done a very good thing for yourself, for this world and for the akhirah, for the next life to come. Please, for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. And make sure, if you are a subscriber already too, please check your status to see if you did press the all button. And it's important, if you press the all button, then you will get every upload that I do. And so far, alhamdulillah, I'm able to upload one every day. So make sure you press the all button when you subscribe. I thank each and every one of you for being with me on this journey. Continue to be with me on this journey. We have a whole lot ahead of us. Not just hijabs, we've got a whole lot going on. Right now we have a 7-day challenge. I hope you have seen that video. Please take a look at it and join me in the challenge. It's for helping ourselves. So until we meet again, you take care of yourselves. Make every moment count. It's important. This is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.